Moving on with the tip series, I want to talk about deadlines. Disclaimer. These are my rules, not the rules. Use it, improve it, or trash it. Tip 4. Before I start generating ideas, I usually think about the when and why. When means finding a deadline point when I think the whole production process should end. Why is maybe even more important. It's about why should I make a new song? Why you do what you do? Even if the answer to that question is just for fun, it's so much easier to make it real when you set up proper objectives. Other objectives could be to provide a demo to a specific label, to get a new song ready to play as DJ in a specific event, etc. Those real objectives is the answer to your why. Regards when. It's because we can't keep listening to a track more than hundreds of times and still be motivated. Considering that every DJ usually rotates the music they play in 3 months or so, it makes sense that your production process end up closer to that time or even sooner. It's really important to write down those two answers as specific as possible. When should be a date and why the target? Believe me that your production process will be much more enjoyable.